Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing well. In my today's video, I will tell you about the call problem in your device Samsung Galaxy A53 and Galaxy A53 5G. Before starting the video, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. So now let's move to the topic. If you are having any issue related to the call in your device Samsung Galaxy A53 and A53 5G, you can solve this problem by the method as I am showing in this video. So you have to follow the steps and watch complete video, and you will learn how you can solve this call problem in your device Samsung. Let's watch the video.